Hey, we're here in Rwanda, in Kigali, just south of the city, after a couple days traveling to get here. We are mainly meeting with Venuste. So a lot of you have had Tumba over the last 8+ years. He's a former school teacher, and he saw coffee as a way to impact his community in a much bigger way. You have a lot that coffee, I feel like, enables you to do in your community. What is the bigger goal of coffee?
Inyungu iri bukurikireho mu myaka iza yadufasha kubaka ririya shuri. Ku buryo nk'igihe turi muri pause tutari gukora, abakozi b'uruganda bajya gutanga support ku ishuri.
One of our philosophies at Corvus is relationship coffee, and that means more than knowing who we buy from at origin, them knowing us and getting to know who's buying their coffee and the validation that comes from an in-person relationship. Over the last 8+ years working with Tumba, I've gotten a lot of feedback from him and even his daughter who visited our shops in Denver that he loves working with us because he knows who's roasting his coffee and buying his coffee with Corvus. I can give him feedback of how popular it is with our customers and baristas. And a lot of times farmers don't get that validation that the work and care and all the attention to detail they put into their coffee is really appreciated if it just goes to a large buyer and they don't know who's buying it, or it's spread across to numerous roasters or blended into larger lots. That can feel kind of defeating, I think, when you don't know that the work that you're doing is appreciated by specific people in a specific area over a period of time. And that effort pays off in the long term in terms of making an impact and finding great coffees for our customers and being able to bridge that story between the cup that you have and where it came from and why it's more than an accident that it's great, that it's driven by great character and great people.